Welcome to the Miromaa 3 video tutorials. This video will assist you in setting up users and user groups within your language database. So here we are on the login screen for Miromaa, and if you haven't already previously set up a user within your language database, our default username will be admin and admin also for our password. So type those and then click login. So here we are on the main menu screen for Miromaa, and as you can see, we've successfully logged into our language database. So we're going to go over to the right to the Tools menu, and below that we're going to click on Options. You should now see the Options box appear on your screen, so we're going to go over to the left to the Security menu, and below that we're going to click on Users. Over to the right now you'll see the title of Users, and in the box below that you'll see the 3 default users that Miromaa has already given us. So how we add a new user to our language database is we go over to the right and click on the Add User button. So this is where you will enter your name or your user's name, type that and click OK, and it asks for you to enter a password, type that and click OK, and once again confirm your password and click OK. You should now see a box appear saying Add User to Language. Do you wish to add this user to the current language? This is an important feature of Miromaa, as Miromaa can store multiple language databases. So it's just a way of ensuring that you are setting up the correct user for the correct language database. So in this case we're going to click on Yes. Up the top now, where you see the title of users, you will now see that your name or your username has been listed there for selection. If you go over to the right, you'll see now there's a box titled User Group, and in that box you have various user groups which you can assign to a particular user within your language database. So if you've set up your user for yourself and you're going to be the main administrator for the language database, then you need to select admin as a user group for yourself. If we go over to the left and under the security menu we click on user groups, over to the right you'll see user groups, and you'll see those same user groups that you've seen in that box on the previous page. So if you click on admin, for example, over to the right now you'll see cannot edit admin user group. So you cannot edit the user group for admin, and also you cannot edit the user group for learner. But you can edit the user group, say for a linguist. Over to the right you'll see in the box below selected privileges a list of options where you can tick or untick any of those boxes, which means that whoever you assign a user group of linguists will be able to access these features and screens within Miromaa. So it is an idea for you to familiarize yourself with those options when you are setting up users within your language database. So what I'm going to do now is just close that box, go up the top to the left to the File menu and click Log Out. I'm now on the login screen, and if you type in your username that you've just set up and the password for your user and click OK, you should now see that you're back on the main menu screen for Miromaa, which also means that you have successfully logged into your language database using the new user that you have just added to your language database. I hope this video has assisted you in setting up a user and user groups within your language database.